All right. Listing time frame. I'm pre-selling them up front, typically 2 to 3 weeks. Do I really want to list their home and do open houses for 2 to 3 weeks? No. But what if something comes up, rain or da-da-da-da? I want to be able to give myself flexibility. But you still can do whatever you want. Y'all see that, right? You can do whatever you want to do. You don't have to just, but in the meantime, I'm just going to be working as your partner behind the scenes with you. What's my compensation to listing broker? If a buyer goes binding from my showings. Ashley said, what? Whatever you can, what, Ashley?
Negotiate.
Whatever you can negotiate. If I'm y'all negotiating, a typical seller would pay how much? Denisha said it earlier.
Yeah.
6. I'm going for 4. I'm gonna let them talk me down to 3. I don't care what they do. Because you guys know how we get paid. You guys know how we get paid. This is how we get paid right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is how we get paid right here. Boop, boop, boop. This is more money than you can ever dream of. This is how we get paid right here. Okay. What does the seller get? Free home warranty. If a buyer goes binding and they give you earnest money, and I brought the buyer and they go belly up, we're gonna split the earnest money 50-50. They have $3,000, I'm gonna get $1,500. Right? This ain't new, y'all. Remember, I've been doing this for a decade. Here's how I'm gonna get paid. Right here. Seller says, well, AT, if you bring a buyer, man, you gotta get the money from the buyer yourself. I'm not paying you anything. Most real estate agents are, I gotta watch my words here. Most real estate agents would cower and just get their feelings hurt and leave. I'm like, oh, phenomenal. Well, how about this? You want to sell a home for how much? $400,000, right? Well, what would you really take for it? Well, I'd really take, bottom line, Anthony, I'm no BS now. I've heard it a million times. I'd really take $375. So anything above $375, I can keep for commission for myself. Yes, as long as I get $375, I don't care what you make. Okay, no problem. Well, here it is. I may change this to 100% then. I'll put an X on here, right in front of their face, and put 100% and their initials and my initials. Now this is you got twins in your stomach right now. I just gave you another baby. You got 2 babies inside you. Who is not clear on how this works? But this is a game changer. I don't give a damn about 4%. Let's do the math, y'all. Y'all ready? Let's do the math. Y'all with me?
Mm-hmm.
With me? Tell me you with me, because I'm about to drop the mic and get out of here.
We with you, Jay-Z. We with you.
K-Dub, that's why I told you. Just get
I'm with you.
certified. I told my sister, don't worry
Show
about
me the money. Right.
Did you get the letter I sent you?
It has not come yet.
It's on
You
your
only
table.
get mail 3 days a week in Michigan.
Oh, wow. Okay. I sent you one of these letters. You're going to like it. But guess what? I did all your marketing for you. It's got all your information on it.
Love it.
That's because I love you. All right, let's do the
Thank you.